Okay, so first off, let's type in bit.ly/mbot stem. Stem is capitalized. There we go. All right, hit enter. It'll load up the program. We want to enable Flash and allow the program to be recognized. And you'll see at the very top, it says download plugin. So on our ILP, we won't be able to use this like the Chromebooks until we install this plugin. Clicking on this, it asks where we want to save it. I'm just going to pick my desktop, and a nice easy place to find. I'll hit save. It won't matter just because the way I'm going to do this. So now I'm waiting for it to download. There we go. I'm going to hit this chevron, and it's going to open up this dialog box where I click open. So it doesn't really matter where I saved it. Now that it's opening, I had to hit yes, which you didn't see, to accept this install. And then it's going to pop up this box here. And I'm not sure what this says, but I'm going to click on it. And now I'm just going to wait for it to actually install. Okay, and we wait. And here it comes. And any second now. There we go. And when it finishes, we can then activate that program. Oh, it looks like it's doing, there it is, mBlock. And now I can click on this button. And what it's going to do is it's going to open up a brand new tab with the working, and I'm going to close the other one. But so this is the one that works. That's the one that doesn't work. So I'll close that out and we're good to go.